to penetrate deep into the forest, these modern machines not only increase productivity, but also reduce the time needed to bring wood to the processing plant. With fast speed and high precision, these machines, this woodcutter, has been at the forefront of the forestry industry today. Let's follow the powerful operation of these advanced machines. The Komatsu 900 Onyx is equipped with a Ponce converter with impressive cutting power and seamless maneuverability. This dynamic duo conquers the dense forest with precision. Immerse yourself in the world of wood with the Husqvarna 2100, a formidable behemoth with a 105cm blade that easily cuts through large logs. The Komatsu 900 Onyx 8 wheel harvester, incorporating the advanced SATI 2 harvester, dominates the primary forests of Sweden's Småland, demonstrating outstanding efficiency in logging. Experience the harmonious dance of power and finesse as the Komatsu 900 Onyx showcases its might, effortlessly cutting through towering trees with an astonishing productivity of approximately 15-20 trees per minute. The Husqvarna 585 is equipped with a Japanese hexa chain with 105 chem cutting capacity that turns handling large logs into an art form. One of the cutting-edge innovations, Husqvarna chainsaws have made it easier than ever to process any type of wood, turning them into small pieces of wood in just a few minutes. The M-Site 180 style chainsaw has a massive 72-inch port with a sharp blade combined with fast speed and precision to handle large logs quickly, is the most popular machine in the forestry industry today. The Timber Pro Tel 755 feller buncher is equipped with the extreme precision of the Quadco 27's hot saw as it creates a symphony of falling action in the heart of the forest. Unleashed. The Steel 90 is a giant in the world of chainsaws with an incredible 7.3 horsepower. This powerful machine can easily cut through giant-sized logs, automatically boasting a cutting capacity of up to 48 inches. Was one of the first machines built. TimberPro Tel 765C chainsaw with Woodsman 750 harvester head, weighing about 8,000 pounds and nearly 12 feet tall, is always at the forefront of woodcutting, making an important contribution to the development of the wood industry. A giant machine in the top 10 machines with high capacity and efficient work. With fast speed, it cuts through tree stumps accurately and cuts multiple trees at the same time, helping the forest to be cleared quickly. The 15-feller buncher is a formidable accessory designed for Ryan's Equipment's high-speed skid steers. With its advanced 15 saw, it easily tackles old logs in the jungle. Is equipped with the turbo saw attachment, a dynamic duo that makes it easy to clear large trees and remove stubborn stumps. Continuing with the D's. 24 hanging chainsaw line with its advanced design and best cutting speed. It easily turns large logs into neatly segmented pieces. The Hammerhead G's 44 XL34 chainsaw boasts incredible cutting capabilities, easily cutting large logs with precision and effortless delivery of outstanding performance with every cut. Testing the G's 44 grapple saw cutting large logs. With cutting power that exceeds expectations, it can cut through large logs, achieving an impressive output of around 30-40 inches per second. Is a symphony of power and precision. Witness the Komatsu X460 a powerful lawnmower, conquering large trees with precision. The delicate combination of people and sharp chainsaws has sharpened a long-standing tree stump in just a short period of time with incredible precision and power. Embark on a woodworking adventure with the Mark IE 560 exp that turns towering blocks of wood into bite-sized masterpieces at an outstanding speed of 560 units per minute. With an incredible 8.2 horsepower, the C1201 chainsaw easily cuts through large trees. The 7900, combined with the dexterity of the 800P, this dynamic duo forms an unbeatable alliance, felling and processing giant trees seamlessly. With its powerful 4.7 horsepower motor, the Husqvarna 560 Tuntu redefines precision and power in every cut, demonstrating its dominance in the chainsaw world. The all-new Nizula 755X harvesting head, mounted on the Ecolog harvester, is this advanced duo that boasts an outstanding felling capacity of around 30 trees per minute. Woodcutting process of Pons Scorpion King 7 Mauer in dense forests in Sweden. This advanced harvester dominates the terrain, easily felling and processing trees at an incredible speed of around 20 trees per minute. The devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again.